Hello, my name is Faraz, and today I will be explaining our new solution, advanced on-air graphics solution, Lino. Lino is a solution because it comes with the design application, which is based on Unreal Engine, battle-tested control application, which is RealityHub, and also with the hardware itself, right? So first of all, I would like to explain what is the design application, which is based on Unreal Engine. So it is an upcoming project by Epic Games, and we are working with Epic Games side by side for it. And Avalanche is, a very unique on-air graphics platform that helps you to create 2D graphics and 3D graphics. On top of everything, it is very user-friendly and easy to understand. If you are coming from Adobe Photoshop and After Effects background, maybe, you can understand all of these tools in just a couple of some hours, maybe, right? So it has layers, so you can blend multiple layers together, right? And it has its own very, easy to use timeline, just like After Effects. So you can create graphics in 2D mode or 3D mode like this. You can switch them, whenever you want, just like it. And it has so many different kinds of tool built in. Let me show you. Like all of these 2D tools. And the good thing about Avalanche that these 2D tools, these 2D shapes or primitives become 3D with some, when you add some kind of modifiers on top of them, right? So it's not only for on-air graphics and lower thirds, but also it is a complete real-time motion graphics package. Not only for on-air graphics, but also for the data-driven video wall graphics as well, right? Once you create your graphics, definitely you want to operate it. You want to control its different aspects, basically, right? How you would do this? We have our own control application, which is RealityHub. It is HTML5 based, web-based control application. And you are seeing, right, the XR and the AR and the green screen. We are using the same application to control all of these operations as well. And we will be using the same RealityHub to control Avalanche on-air graphics, right? So what we have in RealityHub, we have a playout module. So you can expose your templates, you can create your rundowns and playlists, and you can control your data, you can trigger the animation. Even you can get the third-party data from an API as well in real time. That's what I'm doing right now, you see? And maybe, let me check if we have yeah. So, and you can trigger the graphics and all that stuff. Another thing that we have is newsroom integration with NRCS systems like ENPS, iNews, Octopus, right? We have a very intuitive form builder as well. You can create your own user interfaces for operators. It has its own timeline right there, right? Also, we have a launcher module to control multiple engines remotely. Maybe you have 6 different kinds of engines, right? And you want to launch your graphics, you can stop the engine, you can run the engine, and also at the same time, you can monitor the performance of the engine as well. You have an intuitive user interface. You can define the user policies. You can implement those user policies on the individual user or the group of users. So you can isolate with them with the username and passwords, some kind of, right? Configuration module for system administrator. You can configure anything that you want, right? So you can add the engines. You can define the you can define the different kinds of shared folders right here for to sharing the assets with each other in a team, right? All of these two softwares come with the hardware basically, and the hardware that I am using right now is just a prototype. Maybe in future we may change it slightly, but right now what I am using is 4090 ADALF top of the line GPU card with 24 GB virtual RAM, 64 GB physical RAM, dual power supply, hot swappable, right? One goes down, then it automatically switches to another one. Right now I'm using Blackmagic 8K video I/O board with 4 ports, and it has another slot by which you can add another board. So you may have 8 inputs or outputs, UHD ports, right? Also, there are some components which is removable. So you can remove, you can wash, you can put them back. Touch screen is already there to monitor the system performance, right? And all of these 3 things comes as a bundle, and we call it Lino. Thank you so much.